In this Photoshop tutorial, I'm going to show you how to fill the background. So you might notice that you have a background layer. Whether you've started a new document or have one that you're working on, at the bottom, there's going to be a layer called background. Now, usually this layer is also locked. So we can click this lock icon to unlock that background layer. Next, there's actually a fill command. If you go to Edit, down to Fill, we click on Fill, and we can fill it with the foreground color, the background color, and those are these two colors over here. The one in front is the foreground, and the one behind is the background color. Now you can also select pattern or history or black, 50% gray, or white, which is just quick options there. But lastly, you can select color right here, and then you can pick your own color. So you can fill it with this purple if we wanted to and hit OK. Now from there, we can just hit OK, and it's filled in the background layer with this purple color, and that's pixels. Another thing that we could do, that I like to do, is actually create my own shape. And so I might create a rectangle, select the fill, maybe choose, instead of the purple, we'll do yellow just so we can see the difference. And then come out here and create a rectangle that's bigger than my canvas and goes all the way across it. When I let go, it fills that canvas. The reason I like to do a rectangle or a solid fill, which you could do, it's a certain layer that you could do, a solid color layer, is because both of these are vector and then also allow you to change the color just by double clicking the thumbnail. And then we could change the color to anything we want and hit OK. Whereas we would have to refill the background layer full of pixels that are a different color. So that is how you can fill the background layer with color here in Adobe Photoshop.